this is Chantel from WTI, and I am so relieved that I have found a solution for our dogs when we are gone long days. This is the Smart Pet Automatic Feeder by PAPIFEED, and it has so many great features.
The app is very easy to install by scanning the QR code on the lid. Once downloaded, you can create a profile for each pet and then set up a feeding schedule of up to 30 meals per day with 1 to 12 portions per meal. And if you have a dog like our girl Ellie, she will let us know if she's still hungry. So it's nice that you can go into the app and hit the feed button to add more food. There's also a button on the front of the feeder that allows you to manually feed them if your device isn't handy. Each feeder holds around 25 cups of food and also has a nice Velcro safety lock on top so your pets cannot get into the food. It has a removable stainless steel bowl for easy cleaning, and it's just been so nice knowing that our pups are taken care of when we aren't home.
I love how quick and easy it was to set up, and that's my point of view.